Hello guys again. So I am going to reread you. I know we've read this in class before when we've talked about homonyms and homophones, but I'm going to reread you this book. It's once again, it's Brian P. Cleary is the author, and these are some of my favorite books when we're talking about parts of speech. So we're talking about homonyms and homophones. How much can a bear bear? Remember, and these are all homophones because they sound the same, they're spelled differently, and they have different meanings. Okay. Homonyms are words that sound and also look alike, but they have different meanings, as in, can you pass that can, Mike? Or, may I sail with you in May? And coast all along the coast? These words are a blast if you say them quite fast, like, why don't we toast with some toast? A light may be light, like a small paper kite. A trunk can be found in a trunk. An inchworm or snail could scale a scale. A lean cat could lean on a skunk. But punch cannot punch, and at breakfast or lunch, your jam, right, cannot jam on a trumpet. Different meanings. A bowl cannot bowl, but a roll might just roll if it's not made as flat as a crumpet. Now, some words sound identical, but are spelled in different ways. These words are known as homophones, right? Like the things on the cover. Like praise, like good boy, and praise, and praise, right? There's 3 different types of praise. They all are pronounced praise, but they have 3 different meanings, and they're spelled in 3 different ways. Though homophones have matching sounds, their meanings aren't the same. And there isn't any question. They're as fun as any game. A bee can be, a flea can flee. A burrow can burrow a hole. A horse can get hoarse. From talking, of course, a you could take you on a stroll. A fowl can be foul. A toad can be toad. An air mustn't air in the air. A whale can wail. Woo! A male can mail. A pear might just pear a big pear. It's craziness. A bust can be bust by a driver you trust. And Barry can bury a berry. A band could be banned if they get out of hand. And Mary, who's Mary, can marry. But the sea cannot see, and it's clear as can be that a ball would not ball when it's rolled. A moose has no use for a bottle of mousse, and a creek doesn't creak when it's old. But a bear should be bare, and it wouldn't be rare if wood would be kept in a shed. A Sioux might not sue if he knew that the new that he bought wasn't new like you said. My niece could see Greece, both in Greece and in Nice. A check could be writing a check. A maid could be made to be very afraid when she heard a big herd on the deck. You could search the whole world while it spun and it whirled, in each inn and beneath every stone, and you'll find no more pleasures than these great verbal treasures, the homonym and the homophone. So, what are homonyms and homophones? Do you know? Okay, so this will hopefully help you in your work with, I believe we have homophone work in our ELA pack this week. So hopefully that will help you. And then if you haven't yet, I also read one on verbs. Okay, I miss you all tremendously, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.